and we're looking at notes on the fourth string in this tutorial. In my book, this is page 15, I believe. Yes, 15. So we've got notes on the fourth string. We have our familiar setup here with the neck of the guitar pointing to which string it is, and the corresponding location on the staff below, and a picture of where it's played on the neck of your guitar. So by now, you're probably pretty quick at reading this. And so we're going to learn three notes this week, which are the D, the E, and the F. The D is the fourth string open. Now I'd like you to do this with a pick this week to get used to playing with a pick. So just downstroke. For all of our note reading this week and the next couple weeks, if we're doing quarter notes, half notes, or whole notes, we can do all downstroke with the pick. When we get into eighth notes and 16th notes, that's when we would alternate down, up for speed. Okay, so fourth string open. Then we have the E, which is going to be on that first line of the staff, and that's going to be fourth string second fret. And then we have the F, which is in the first space of the staff, and that's going to be fourth string third fret. So I'll call these out. D is open, E is fourth string second fret, and it's on the first line of the staff, and then F is fourth string third fret, and it's in the first space of the staff. So D, E, F. We can do all downstroke for now. Now, the thing you should notice right away is that I am playing this in position, and that's what we want to do with our note reading. So because the E is in the second fret, we should be using that second finger. Because the F is in the third fret, we should be using the third finger of our left hand. Okay? So that way, whenever we're playing, we don't have to slide up or down in first position. We just know, okay, if I keep my fingers roughly lined up over the frets, I can just drop down the finger that I need, and it will be in the right location. Okay, let's play through exercises 28 and 29. So 28, notice it's all half notes, and they have the count written below. You can practice these with metronome, and you should also count out loud, like I'm doing in these tutorials. All right, here we go. 28, I'll count in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, pretty easy. Remember that when you're note reading, don't try to memorize this. From the very beginning, we want to be looking at the page. So I know you can't see me looking, but I am practicing what I preach. I'm looking at the page as I'm playing this for you, because I want you to do. What are they? The bad saying is do what I say, not what I do. I want you to do what I do. Okay, there we go. So let's do it again. This is 28. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. Let's do 29 now. So they're all the same three notes, D, E, and F from the fourth string. You can do all downstroke. These are, in this one, mainly quarter notes. And then we've got a whole note at the end. Okay? Here is the count for 29. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another way that you can practice this, remember, which is really great for memorizing your note names, is to say the note out loud as you play. So we'll do it a little slower, and I'm going to say the names of the notes as I play, and you may do this too. It's a really great way of learning the notes. Here we go. Number 29 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, D, E, F, E, F, E, D, E, F, E, D. 2, 3, 4, off. Good. So learn these notes, memorize them, and then next week we will start to play through some of these melodies. We'll talk about what pickup notes are. That's on the next page. So for this week, if you want to work ahead, of course you may in the book with any note reading. You may always do that. But my expectation for you is just that you memorize these 3 notes this week, meaning their letter name, where they are on the staff, of course, and where they are on the guitar. And you get comfortable playing through these without looking at your hands, looking at the music as we are training you to do. Okay.